Now that we have set up our website and now even have written some articles with some keywords, Google and other search engine will take up our articles and our keywords within 15 to 20 days. So it will take at least 15 to 20 days for Google and other search engines to rank our article, our website, index our website, and rank different keywords and different of our articles on Google. So it would take some time for us to see SEO traffic on our website and conversion through Google ranking. But during that period of time, we can still try to gain some free traffic from different social media sources, and I'm going to share in this lecture different ways to get different free traffic to our website, and in fact can get some good conversions also. I have seen some people, one of my friend who is getting conversions directly through the social media by promoting his article on the social media on different social medias on different ways. So let's see different ways we can promote our articles online on social media platforms. So the first platform that we should take for free traffic is Facebook. Now this method is totally free. In fact, it is one of the best method to promote your article freely with different traffic, and that to direct traffic directly related to our niche. So all you have to do is, when first log into your Facebook, and then in the search bar try to search based on your niche. Mine is keto diet, so I will search keto diet. Keto diet only. Now when you will search keto diet, above you will have different categories: posts, people, photos, pages, and different pages, different posts you will get. But now what we have to do is find out groups. Go to groups. The main thing is we have to go to groups and join the groups related to keto diets. I would say to join closed group, because public groups are majorly spammy people, and majorly who join public groups are never people majorly don't read public groups, they only share. It is rare to get good conversions on public groups. So always go for a private group, and you can find out different people, like for example keto diet recipes for beginners, keto diet 101, and here we can see 33,000 members, 14k members, 23k members. So these all are keto diet support groups. So what we can do is we can join all these groups with 33k members and all that, and we can connect with these members. Now think about it, 33,000 people are on this group. So like that we can join 8 to 10 different keto diet group, and whatever article we have written, we can share our article on these groups saying the 10 best keto diet nuts or keto diet nuts to be taken during that keto diet. Now most of these groups, if they are closed group, will have a rule that you cannot spam or you cannot write spammy articles. So always try to share a content, or always try to share good content on these groups. Don't try to show that spammy, or don't try to directly send your affiliate link of Amazon on these groups, because they will kick you out of the group if you directly share your Amazon affiliate link. Try to write an article, whatever good articles you have written with good content, try to promote that with all these members, and you can easily get good traffic from this. It is a great and huge source. Many people are making good money out of just Facebook groups itself. They are just sharing their products on these groups, and they are getting daily good conversions. So what you can do is write down good articles, join 8 to 10 groups with 20 to 30,000 members, and all you have to do is just share your articles on these groups. So you can easily get at least 1,000 to 10,000 people per article if you share your article on these groups, which will help you increase traffic to your affiliate products and thereby increase conversion, because we can take at least 1 to 2% conversions. So this free method will get you 1 to 2% conversions, and it would get you $100 to $200 in the first week if you do it correctly. So we can start earning $100 to $200 weekly if we just go to and join 8 to 10 groups. write down good articles and just try to promote those articles rather than promoting directly our affiliate links or our affiliate products. We can promote our articles and we can get some good traffic to our articles without ranking or go on Google, and we can see some starting traffic. It will help us recover our cost of hosting and domain that we have paid for. So this is one of the best free traffic method that is currently in use, and many people are using this method every day. So you can see these people like 100k members posting 10 posts every day. So many of them would be posting some articles on keto diet. One more thing I like about these groups and these traffic methods is people are always talking about the niche. That is, like, for example, if I join any of that group, they would be talking about keto diet only. So I can get various ideas about different problems. I can be updated about different problems people are facing or different ideas I can get to write article on. So I can write article about these from the discussions that are going on in this group. I can document those discussions on the group, and then I can write a very good SEO article which people are searching on Google, and I can promote different affiliate offers from Amazon. So that is why this method is very good. It will help you generate ideas to write article on, to promote different products, and it can also help you gain some of good free traffic, and you can have good amount of you can have some good conversion initially. I get my first initial conversions through these method only. I started sharing my articles on these affiliate groups, and I was getting at least $50 to $100 for starting from the first or second week itself. I was getting at least $50 to $100 because I was having at least 5,000 to 6,000 people per article. So out of that, even 1% conversion was getting me $50 to $100. So this can easily get you some good money in the beginning, and can also get you some of the ideas. I am joined many groups with different niches, and I get every day different ideas of promoting or different ideas to write content on, and I can promote my products more. So this is the finest and the best free traffic method I can suggest. The second method is the Pinterest. Now Pinterest is a platform where you have to give pins, that is images. So it depends on whatever niche you are. As for keto niche, it is one of the best ones. So here you can see when we search keto, people have given many of their pins, that is images, and they are promoting their products. So what you can do, what you can see, for example, this pin, it will take you directly to their website where their articles is. So what we can do is we can write 10 best keto nuts available during keto, and then we can create an image about the same. Like here they have created different smoothies. We can write down 10 different keto nuts with their benefits and link it to our article. So people who might be interested with these pins would go directly to our article, and where, so for example, here they take them directly to that keto cheesy garlic pizza recipe. So here it is their article. It directly takes us to their articles, and they have written about what you need, like 1 cup shredded mozzarella and all that instructions. So it is a good article. What they have not done is they have not promoted any affiliate offers. So we can promote like mozzarella cheese or egg or garlic powder from Amazon, and we can earn good money apart from the advertisement. So Pinterest is good if you can create good images. Now to create images, all you can do is you can use Canva. It is a free tool. You can design your own images. All you have to do is just add up different images. We can add one pin with different nuts and write their nuts and say best keto nuts, then link it to our article, and this can help us gain at least 5,000 to 6,000 people of traffic, the visitors monthly on different of our articles. So all you have to do is just create one pin per article and post it on Pinterest. People will share it, and you can get free traffic from here. So it is one of the best ways. Many people are getting at least 100,000 visitors per month only through Pinterest. Especially this keto niche, people are getting 100,000 visitors per month using Pinterest free traffic method itself. Now the third method that we are going to talk about is Reddit. Now Reddit is a discussion forum. There are many discussions going on. All you have to do is just sign up on Reddit, and you can question and answer different people about their queries. So here you can see many people, if we search keto nuts, many people are sharing their keto recipes from keto nuts. Here you can see best keto nuts, an article. So you see best keto nuts, there's a question. A person is asking a question about what are the best keto nuts. All you can do is answer their question. So for example, we can search keto nuts. We got this question. Now we can answer them, and what are the best keto nuts available. We can link our article here by saying here are the list of best keto nuts available, and we can take get different visitors through sharing our content on these forums of Reddit. So Reddit is a good place to promote freely our articles. All you have to do is just go on Reddit, join different people, see whatever they are questioning about, and just write down your answers and promote your own link of articles. And you can get easily 5,000 to 6,000 people visitors every month on different articles of yours. Now another one of the good way to promote our articles is Quora. Now Quora is a great place for questions and answers. Thousands of people regularly ask different kinds of questions. So what you can do is whatever your niche is and whatever articles you have written, you can search on Quora, and any people who have searched for that keyword which relates to your article, you can answer them in their questions. And at the same point in the bottom, you can promote your own article that has been written, thereby promoting your own products. So you can get some good traffic through here also. So for example, if we search keto nuts, so here are Brazil nuts keto friendly. Can keto diet be done on egg or nut? So we can write and we can promote our article of keto nuts here. We can write, for example, here he has asked, are such nuts such as Pinnacle ideal for keto diet since they are very high in fat and have moderate? So here this person, as this article we have seen, so this person has linked his article here answering to the question from Diet Doctor. Diet Doctor, he has written an article on different keto nuts. So what they have done, so for example, so here is our example, as this person has asked about keto nuts, and this person has replied different nuts which are good for keto and has linked in articles. So such we can do also, like we can write these are the good nuts available during keto diet, and below is the link of an article which explains their health benefits. Thereby we can promote our article written, and we can get some free traffic. So these are the best free resources of traffic. Instagram is also good for free traffic, but it requires good amount of work. These platforms like Facebook group, Reddit and Quora doesn't need. All you have to do is just write down answer questions to different people and just promote the article already written by you, and it can get you at least 5 to 10,000 visitors per month on every article. So you can easily get $50 to $100 depending on the rate of conversion. If you have 1%, 2% difference, but you can easily earn monthly $50 to $100 with this free traffic method. Apart from the Google ranking method, you can easily get some good money for the articles you have written. Initially you can get within 1 or 2 weeks of starting your own blog and writing 2 to 3 articles, you can start earning $50 to $100 within first or second week. So now this is how we can get some free traffic methods and to our blog or our affiliate marketing website.